Hello friends, today's topic Analysts report upgraded and downgraded stocks. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Based on the recent news, business updates and quarterly results of certain companies, analysts upgraded and downgraded stocks. Many institutional and retail investors take a short-term investment decisions based on these analyst announcements. Downgrade means that analysts may have either downgraded from buy to hold or hold to sell. Similarly, when a stock is upgraded, it means that a sell rating may have become hold rating or a hold rating may become upgraded to a buy rating. Economic Times newspaper has published the following stocks which have been upgraded or downgraded in June 2024 quarter. Stocks which have been upgraded June quarter: BHL approximate current price 295, last 1 year returns 191%. Trend approximate current price 6694, last 1 year returns 235%. Rail Vikas Nigam approximate current price 562, last 1 year returns 361%. Kotak Bank approximate current price 1811, last 1 year returns 1%. Bajaj Finserv approximate current price 1595, last 1 year returns 5%. Now stocks which have been downgraded June quarter: JSW Steel approximate current price 917, last 1 year returns 15%. Ambuja Cements approximate current price 629, last 1 year returns 36%. Tata Steel approximate current price 153, last 1 year returns 32%. Titan Company approximate current price 3467, last 1 year returns 13%. IOC approximate current price 172, last 1 year returns 85%. Around 393 companies in the market have been downgraded after the June quarter results and 247 companies were upgraded. Among Nifty companies, 27 saw downgrades, 19 were upgraded. 4 companies did not have change of ratings. Usually, the upside potential for upgraded stocks will be good since the business may be expected to do well or the valuations may be attractive. Also, the downside potential for downgraded stocks will be higher. However, such ratings are revised every quarter once the next quarter results are announced. Usually, at least in the short term, stocks which are downgraded underperform the overall markets and stocks which are upgraded do better than the index. So, observe such stocks and see if you can benefit from their movement in the short term. End of the video, here is a question. Which of these stocks is likely to be removed from the Nifty 50 index? 4 choices in front of you. A. Titan, B. Divi's Lab, C. Sun Pharma, D. Hero Motocar. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.